Question number 2 में we have in the given figure AB is a common chord. AB is a common tangent. See, this part is AB. If you will see, this is a common tangent AB. If possible, keep your video on. I won't tell you again and again. Okay, if you wish, then you can keep. Otherwise, don't keep. AB is a common
हाँ
tangent
सर 2 मिनट में करता.
of the two circle intersecting at C and D. You have to prove that ACD. This you have to prove. So first we will take this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle in an alternate segment. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Alternate angle in an alternate segment. Okay. Another, hello. This equal to this.
sir.
हाँ
Yes. What
सर
happened?
क्या कर
मैंने बताया ना अभी 4 क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट किया. बोर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. तुम नहीं थे शयन जगह पे मैंने जब बोला तब.
नहीं सर सिर्फ ऑन करके गया.
वही हो रहा है आजकल, सब ऑन करके चले जाते हैं. ठीक है. एनीवे, so first I took this angle equal to this. Second I took angle ABC equal to angle BDC. Again same angle in an alternate segment. Add both of them. So we will get angle BAC is equal to B angle BAC plus angle ABC, adding both of them, that is equal to angle ADC plus angle BDC. So after adding this, you will get angle BAC we want ACD, this angle plus angle ADB. Wait, ABCD. We want this angle plus angle ADB, this angle which is equal to 180 degree. ये दो steps समझा क्या? Should I explain you again those were joined now? Do you want me to explain again?
ओके
Okay, I will erase and I will explain again. Just listen. देखो, first I will take angle CAB. Angle CAB is which angle? This one. Let me mark it with green line. This one. This angle is made by the tangent and chord, and it is equal to the angle in an opposite segment. This angle. So we can say angle CAB is equal to angle ADC, or you can write angle CDA. This is first result. Is this clear? Second way, we can take angle CBA is equal to angle CDB. This is second result. Okay, this iska reason है angle in an alternate segment. Now we will take in triangle ACB, full triangle, this angle ACB plus angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree. Is this part clear? Angle sum property of triangle. Property of triangle. Now we can keep angle ACB as it is. This angle. Plus angle. इसको you can replace with CAB को you can replace with angle ADC. This you can replace with angle CBA. You can replace with angle CDB is equal to 180 degree. Now add both angle. Angle ACB plus angle ADC plus angle ADC plus angle BDC is equal to angle ADB हो जाता है, which is equal to 180 degree. Here question में mistake है. You can just make as angle ACB. Done. Next question. Take screenshot if you want. Otherwise, you can write from the video which I am recording right now. Next. ABC is A, B and C are the 3 points on the circle. Tangent at C meets BA produced at T. ATC is 36 degree. ACT is 48 degree. Calculate the angle subtended by the arc at the center. We have to find this angle. So first we will join a line. We can join this part. Join this line. So first we can find this angle in triangle CAT. What will be this angle?
90.
180 minus 36 plus 48. 180 minus 90, 84. That is equal to 96 degree. This is 96 degree. समझा? Is this part clear?
Yeah.
अभी ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा? ये वाला एंगल, एक मिनट, ये 84 होता है ना, और 6 and 8 14 1, हाँ 84, ये 96 है. तो अगेन दिस विल बिकम BAC विल बिकम 84. समझा इतना? यस और नो?
Yes.
सर वो 84 कैसे हुआ?
लीनियर पैर. हाँ, अभी दिस इज 90 डिग्री. रेडियस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट. उसमें से ये वाला पार्ट 48 है, तो ये पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा? 42 डिग्री हो जाएगा. दिस इज 42. तो दिस टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. तो ये छोटा वाला पार्ट भी 42 हो गया. दिख रहा है? तो ये भी 42 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज 42 प्लस 42 इज 84. तो ये दिस इज ऑल्सो 42 बिकॉज रेडियस आर इक्वल. So angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 84, which is equal to 96 degree. अब इसमें क्या डाउट है वो बोलो.
नहीं सर.
Next question पढ़ो. In an adjoining figure, sorry, fourth question is omitted. Just mark it down whatever is omitted. फिर बाद में तुम लोग मैसेज करके मत पूछो कि क्या omit है क्या नहीं. Fourth one is omitted. We are doing fifth. In the given figure, AB is a diameter and AC is a chord of a circle such that BSC is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. The tangent HC intersect AB at D. You have to prove BC is equal to BD. You have to prove this. तो पहले क्या करोगे इसको? You can write it down 90. If this is 90, तो this will become 60. समझा? Now by angle in an alternate segment, this will become 30. ये linear pairs है, this will become 120. So again by angle sum property से this will become 30. So we can say in triangle CBD, angle BCD is equal to angle BDC. That is both are 30 degree. So therefore we can say BC is equal to BD. First you have to find all angles and then you can say. Any doubt? Next question for P and Q are the center of a circle with radius 9 centimeter and 2 centimeter such that PQ is equal to 17. R is the center of a circle of radius x centimeter which touches the above two circle externally. See, circle with center R touches center P circle and touches center Q circle. Now you have to find x. Since this is a right angle triangle, this is 9, this is also 9. This part is 2, this part is 2. And this is x, this is also x. So it forms a right angle triangle in which PR is x plus 9, QR is x plus 2, PQ is 17 centimeter. So if we take a right angle triangle, so we get Pythagoras, we get PQ square. We can write it as QR square plus PR square is equal to PQ square. QR is x plus 2 whole square plus x plus 9 whole square is equal to 17 square. We have to find the, we have to open this x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 4 plus x square plus 9 to the 18x plus 81 is equal to 289. X square plus x square will become 2x square. 4x plus 18x is 22x plus 85 minus 289 is equal to 0. Now here we got quadratic equation. Minus 204 equal to 0, just divided by 2. X square plus 11x minus 102 is equal to 0. We will find factor x square plus 17x minus 6x minus 102 equal to 0. So we will get x plus 17, x minus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. Any doubt in this part? Don't take screenshot क्योंकि recording में होगा, उसमें से लिख लेना. 7th and 18 are same, and this type of questions we did in exercise part also. याद है किसी को? PQR. Question is P and Q are the center of a circle with radii 9 centimeter and 2 sorry. PQR is a right angle triangle with PQ 3 centimeter, QR 4 centimeter. So by Pythagoras, PR will be 5 centimeter, which touches the all side of the triangle. Inscribed in a, which touches all sides of a triangle is inscribed in a triangle. Calculate the radius of the circle. So how we did, you people remember how we did this type of question? In exercise part, same question we did. See, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. We can take this as x. We can take as this as x, which is the radius. Now we have to prove that this is a square. How we can prove square? Because OA is perpendicular to PQ. OB is perpendicular to QR. Yes, so we can write C. So, and also we can say OA is equal to OB, radii of same circle. So therefore OAQB is a square. If it is a square, so all sides are equal. Now we can say QB is equal to QA, that is x, which is length of tangent from an external points are equal. Same way we can say BQ and BR and CR are equal. We can even say PA and PC are equal. So let's write value. This is 4 minus x. So this will also become 4 minus x because QR is 4. Same way this is 3. So this will become 3 minus R or x le lete hai. It is x only. This is also 3 minus x. So we can write RB is equal to RC, which is equal to 4 minus x. PA is equal to PC, which is equal to 3 minus x. This is length of tangent from an external points are equal. So we can write PR is equal to PC plus CR. PR is 5 centimeter. That is equal to 3 minus x plus 4 minus x. 5 is equal to 7 minus 2x. 2x is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. X is equal to 1. Same way you can do 18th question. Read 18th question. It's a similar type of question. Only numbers has been changed. 18th question may we have in triangle PQR. It is given that PQ is 24 centimeter. QR is 7. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can get this as 25 centimeter. If we take this as x, so this is also x. This is also x. So this will become 7 minus x. 7 minus x. And this will become 24 minus x. This will also become 24 minus x. So इसको I had taken C. So I can write PR is equal to 24 minus x plus 7 minus x. 25 is equal to 24 plus 7, that is 31 minus 2x. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. ठीक है, समझा both sum? Any doubt? Then you can clear it out. Huh? Yes?
वो PR is equal to PC upon CR वो पार्ट है उसके नीचे नहीं समझा
कौन सा? फर्स्ट डायग्राम में क्या? फर्स्ट डायग्राम में क्या सेकंड डायग्राम में? सेवेंथ में कौन सा? PR इज इक्वल टू PC प्लस CR. ये तो डायग्राम में देखो ना, PR ये फुल है, दिस इज फुल PR which is PC plus CR. We can just add up ना both of them. समझो? तो कोई भी साइड ले सकते क्या? कोई भी साइड ले सकते. वो तो हमने उधर इधर की वैल्यू हमने बेस्ड ऑन दिस पार्ट भी एड गॉट ना. वैसा तुम एडजस्टमेंट करोगे तो फिर कोई भी साइड होती है. Now some questions are based on similarity. Hopefully तुम लोग ने किया होगा similarity.
आप एक मिनट पीछे जा सकते हो बस देखना.
स्क्रीनशॉट मत लो.
नहीं सर मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ.
एक मिनट.
ओके सर, फाइनल आंसर ही लिखना।
Next, see here we have to first prove triangle PMB is an isosceles triangle. PMB is an isosceles. ये वाला triangle isosceles prove कर लो.
सर पीएमबी तो वो है।
हाँ क्या बोल रहे थे?
सर आपने पीएम लिया है, पीएमबी पता है।
अच्छा एक मिनट देखने दो। हाँ PAM ही होगा मुझे लगता है। PM, अच्छा नहीं पूरा ही लेना है, सॉरी। PMB आइसोस्सेलेस प्रूव करना है और दिस टू पार्ट इज गिवन, PA इज इक्वल टू AM इज गिवन, ये दोनों गिवन है। वी हैव टू प्रूव फुल ट्राइंगल आइसोस्सेलेस ट्राइंगल है, तो प्रूफ में पहले वी विल राइट इन ट्राइंगल PAM, PA इज इक्वल टू AM, ये गिवन है। Once it is given, then we can say this angle is equal to this. Angle PMA is equal to angle APM. Angle opposite to equal sides. ठीक है इतना? अभी ये एंगल किससे इक्वल है? This angle is equal to this angle. Angle in an alternate segment. मालूम है ना? Angle PMA, because this angle is formed by tangent and chord. PMA is equal to angle MBA. This is second. So from 1 and 2, these two parts are equal. So we can say angle APM, which is this, is equal to this, is equal to angle MBA की जगह we can write P, because MBA या तो P, it's one and the same angle. So therefore we can say AM is equal to MP. AM and P. सॉरी APM है वो, APM। अच्छा APM को भी we can write it like this, APM को we can write BPM, that is equal to angle MBP. So we can say BM is equal to PM. When BM is equal to PM है, so that means triangle PMB is an isosceles triangle. First part is done. Now second part में we are going to use similarity. To make triangle similar, we will consider a triangle, this triangle, and full triangle, full green one, this full triangle you have to consider. So usme this is the common angle, and this angle is equal to this angle in an alternate segment. जिसको नहीं समझ रहा है वो similarity कर लेना, then you can solve this part easily. And triangle PBM, angle PMA is equal to angle PBM, angle in an alternate segment. And one more angle is common, angle PA, angle MPA is equal to angle MPB, common angle. Therefore, triangle PMA is similar to triangle PBM by angle. If triangle is similar, we can say their sides are proportional, PM upon PB. is equal to, see this PM upon PB, then PA upon PM. So therefore we will get PM square is equal to PA into PB. We got answer. Now most of the sums are based on this pattern only. Ninth. In the given figure, AB is a diameter. We have to find CBA, this angle, and CQA, this angle. Can you try?
Sir,
Yes.
sir angle ACQ 90 रहेगा तो angles
ACB, 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 ACB 90, ACQ नहीं.
हाँ sorry. So
34 तो
angles हम
56. ये 56 हो गया. Now this angle will be equal to 34 because angle in an alternate segment है. This is 56, so by linear pair I can say 124. Now subtract 124, 158, 180 minus 158, that is 22 degree. And this is 56 degree. Next question. In the given figure, PT touches a circle with center O at R. RQ is a diameter. SQ is a diameter when produced. Meets PT at P. If angle SPR is X, this is X degree. This is Y degree. We have to find X plus 2Y is equal to 90. So what I will do? This is Y, na? So I can say this is also Y. Because angle in an alternate segment hota hai. Dekho. See, this angle is the angle made by the tangent and chord, which is equal to the angle formed in an alternate segment. Now this is Y, so I can say this is 2Y. Angle at the center is double the angle on the circumference. Now I can take this triangle in which this angle is radius perpendicular to the tangent. 2Y plus X plus 90 is equal to 180. 2Y plus X is equal to 90, hence proved. Fine.
yes, sir.
11th, 12th is omitted. पहले इसमें this is 68 is given. These two sides are given. So we can find this angle as well as this angle. So 180 minus 68. कितना बचता है? 112 divide by 2. So 56. So this is 56. So angle at a center is double. 2 into 56, that is 112 degree. Now this angle we want, that is 180 minus 112. So that is 68. I think so clear hoga. In the figure alongside AB is 7 centimeter, BC is 9 centimeter. Prove that triangle ACD is the full triangle. This triangle is similar to the triangle BCD. It is very similar question, very similar to this question. See, 8th वाला का right side part, same question hai. Only diagram has been changed a bit. So we can take in triangle ACD and triangle DCB. So we can say this angle is equal to this angle in an alternate segment. Angle AC, पहले ये common angle लिख लेते हैं. Angle ACD is equal to angle DCB, common angle. Then angle in an alternate segment. Angle CAD is equal to angle CDB. Angle in an alternate segment. So therefore triangle ACD is similar to triangle DCB by angle. If triangle is similar, then sides are proportional. We can say CD upon BC is equal to AC upon CD. Cross kar do, this is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now CD square is equal to AC into BC. CD we have to find. AC is 16, BC is 9, CAC is 16. Add up both. So 144. CD is equal to 12 centimeter. Any doubt? Fourteenth में we have to find BAO, this angle. So angle 65 is given. We know this is 90 degree. If 90 है 65 है, तो by taking this red triangle, we can get this as 25 degree. So if ये 25 है, तो angle set at a center will become 50 degree. So 50, 90, this will become 40 degree. I think so, समझ गया होगा.
Yes.
Now this 30 is given, ये 90 है, this is 90. By congruency you can prove this angle is equal to this. तो ये भी 30 हो गया. So if this is 30, 90 है, तो this will become 60. So this is again 60. So we want BCO. BCO is 30 degree. AOB is 120 degree. APB will be half. So it is 60 degree. Only you have to apply properties. Only 3 students today. Great.
हाँ सर.
इसके पहले वाले समझ आ सकता है. सर एक्सप्लेन कर सकते एक बार.
कौन सा?
सर ये 14 वाला बोल रहा हूँ.
देखो,
BC
see.
है 15th वाला.
हाँ, this is what right angle triangle. So if one angle is given as 30, तो another can be 60. And we know both triangles are congruent. Congruent होते हैं ना, मैंने starting में इसमें prove करके दिखाया था कि ये दोनों triangle congruent होते हैं. How it is congruent? This we can say length of tangents from an external.
सर 1 minute. ये AOB is equal to APB ना?
AOB is equal
AOB
to.
is equal to APB.
Is equal to कैसा आएगा? AOB is twice APB ना? AOB is angle at a center.
हाँ सर, आपने 60-60 लिखा है दोनों.
ये total 120 हुआ ना.
अच्छा
This
सर,
is true.
total 1.
हाँ, total is
Okay,
120 ना? समझा?
Yes sir. Yes sir. हाँ सर, circumference में मतलब ये
हाफ
क्या
होता है.
सॉरी, सेंटर में ट्वाइस है circumference का एंगल.
हाँ, circumference में हाफ होता है सेंटर का.
Yes sir.
Now ये मालूम है, याद है 3 circles वाला questions we had done in exercise part. If we say AB is 10 ना, AB is 10. Let's say radius of a circle with center A is x. Since AB is 10, so this will become 10 minus x. This will also become 10 minus x. AC is 6, so this will become 6 minus x. This will also become 6 minus x. इतना ठीक है? We know BC. BC क्या है? BC is 8, which is 10 minus x plus 6 minus x. 16 minus 2x is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 4. We got answer. So if you are taking a radius of circle with center A, that is 4 centimeter. Circle with center C is 6 minus 4, that is 2 centimeter. Circle with center B is 10 minus 4, that is 6 centimeter. You can write proper steps. ठीक है? (17) is omitted. 18 we had already done. Now we will go to 19th question. नाइनटीन्थ क्वेश्चन क्या है? In the given figure with center O, ABC is 100, ACD is 40. CT is a tangent to a circle at C. Find angle ADC and DCT. तो पहले ये 40 है, this is 100. So I can find this easily by angle sum proper opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So if one angle is 40, another is 80, so I can find this as 60 degree. इतना समझा?
Yes, sir.
तो फर्स्ट वी वांट ADC. ADC तो ऐसे ही 80 मिल गया. नाउ वी वांट दिस एंगल DCT. तो दिस इज एंगल मेड बाय द टेंजेंट एंड कॉर्ड. सो एंगल इन एन अल्टरनेट सेगमेंट से वी विल गेट दिस एंगल. सो इट इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. ओके. First question. In the given figure, AB is a diameter. Sorry, 20th question omitted at 21st. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle, SP is a tangent, and ST is a diameter. SRT is 65. You have to find X, Y, and Z. So this is 90 degree. So if you are taking this blue triangle, if you are taking this triangle, so this will become 25 degree. So if this is 25, so this will become 50 degree. Angle at the center is double. So X is 25 degree, Y is 50 degree, and Z is 40 degree. Again, angle sum property of triangle for the green triangle, this one. Any doubt?
No doubts.
(22) question में we have to prove AB and CD are the intersecting chord at P. We have to prove AP into BP is equal to CP into DP. So first let us join the line. This line. Now we will prove these two triangles similar. So we can take in triangle APD, this angle, this triangle, and another triangle is this yellow one. This. Usme we can say this angle is equal to this vertically opposite angle. These two angles are equal because वो angle in the same segment है. देखो, this angle and this angle are in the same segment DB. So we can write in triangle APD and triangle CPB Angle DAP is equal to angle BCP. Angle in a same segment. Here angle APD is equal to angle CPB. We can say vertically opposite angle. So therefore triangle APD is similar to triangle CPB by angle. So if two triangles are similar, we can say AP upon CP is equal to DP upon BP. ऐसा AP upon CP is equal to DP upon BP. So cross multiply, you will get AP into BP is equal to CP into DP. इसके बाद वाला question you can do by yourself. It's based on the area theorem of similarity. Similarity, you people had done second exercise. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You know area when two triangles are similar, then areas of two similar triangle is proportional to the square of their corresponding sides. You know all that stuff.
Yes, sir.
नहीं मालूम होगा तो नहीं समझेगा, बराबर. इसका सॉल्यूशंस मैं दूंगा. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, बट इफ यू नो सिमिलरिटी, ओके, दिस यू कैन सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ. अभी 24th. में we have in the adjoining figure PQ is a tangent to a circle at A. AB and AD are the bisector of AB. This line is the bisector of angle. कौन सा angle का bisector है? CAQ. So these two angles should be same. So this should also be 30 degree. 30 होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
If you will see, this is angle in an alternate segment. दिख रहा है?
हाँ, sir.
ये एंगल भी 30 होना चाहिए, but this is also the bisector, the blue one. This AD is also bisector. So these two angles we can keep as x and x. So I can write x plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 180. Angle in a straight line. 2x is equal to 120, x is equal to 60. तो ये 60 हो गया, ये भी 60 हो गया. We have to prove BD is a diameter. So if you take a triangle, which triangle? This triangle. उसमें ये 90 डिग्री है. In triangle BAD, angle BAD is equal to 90 degree. So therefore we can say BD is a diameter by converse of angle in a semicircle. That you can write it down. Abhi we have to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles. So how you can prove it is an isosceles? If this is 30, तो ये भी 30 हो गया. Angle in an alternate segment. See, angle ACB is equal to angle BAQ. Both are 30. Angle in an alternate segment, in which AB is a chord, BQ is a diameter. So now in triangle ABC, we have two angles equal. So we can say AB is equal to, we have two angles equal. में कौन-कौन से angles equal है? I will write it down. Angle BAC is equal to angle ACB. Both are 30. So therefore, AB is equal to BC. So therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ठीक है? Yes.
Angle BAC is equal to angle BCA prove कैसे किया?
ये तो already 30 है ही, because AB is a bisector. ठीक है? Yes.
Sir.
अभी see, AB is a chord, this yellow one, and AQ is a tangent. So angle made by the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle made by them in the alternate segment. तो वो भी 30 हो गया.
ओके सर, समझा. एक्सटर्नल एंगल.
हाँ, अभी ये 25th क्वेश्चन. In this x and y we have to find. So we know this is 90 degree, so 90, 55, this is 35 degree. So y will become double 70. If you are taking a triangle this, so 70, 90, so this will become 20 degree. ठीक है. Next question I will do full क्योंकि इसमें भी area theorem है of similarity. The one I have skipped now, it is very similar to this question. So here first part में we have to prove triangle PAB similar to triangle PCD. So I will consider in triangle PAB and triangle PCD. Angle PAB, we can write angle PBA. This angle is equal to this angle in an alternate segment. Angle in an alternate segment. And this is vertically opposite angle. Angle BPA is equal to angle DPC. Vertically opposite angle. So therefore triangle PAB is similar to triangle PCD by angle. So if two triangles are similar, we can say sides are proportional. We can say PA upon PC is equal to AB upon CD. So corresponding sides of similar triangle. This whole sum is dependent on similarity chapter. PA is 7.5 centimeter upon PC is 5, AB is 9, CD we have to find. So now cross multiply. CD is equal to 9 5s are 45 upon 7.5. Therefore CD is equal to 6 centimeter. Once you get CD, we will take area theorem. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas of two similar triangles is proportional to the square of their corresponding sides. This is from the similarity second exercise. Area of triangle PAB upon area of triangle PCD, that is equal to, we can take any sides, we can take PA upon PC whole square. Here you have to write reason, theorem of areas of similar triangle. Area of triangle PAB upon area of triangle PCD, that is equal to 7.5 upon 5 whole square. Cancel kar do 1.5, that is 3 by 2 ka square is 9 by 4. Area of triangle PAB upon area of triangle PCD is equal to 9 by 4. So ratio will be 9:4. समझा? Any doubt?
No.
Last question.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
In the given figure, TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O touching A and C. If BCQ, this angle is given as 55 degree and BAP, this angle is given as 60 degree. We have to find OBA, this angle, and OBC, this angle. तो अभी कैसे मिलेगा एंगल? जैसे वी नो रेडियस एंड टेंजेंट्स आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, तो ये एंगल मिल गया 90 minus 55, 35 degree. So this is also 35 because both sides are equal due to radius. Clear? Same way radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So this is 30. This is also 30. तो ये 60 हो गया. So this is 65. So this is 130. So angle AOC is 130 degree. Angle ATC radius and tangent का है, तो this is 50 degree. समझा? Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी I will explain you the test series which I am starting from the November 1st week. देख लो. Just take a, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this part. Otherwise, in video it is being recorded. First one is omitted, so no need to take. Second, don't take screenshot. Third,
Third omitted, sir.
नहीं
Sorry,
सर
four.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
नहीं वो वीडियो में रिकॉर्डिंग भेज रहा हूँ,
ठीक.
उसमें आ जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
फोर्थ ओमिट है. फिफ्थ,
Sir, fifth भी omitted है.
हाँ मैंने बताया ना पहले ओमिट क्या है.